Morning students, myself Bina Tripathi, I am your SSC teacher. Welcome to the new academic year online class. See students, this is a geography textbook standard 7th. Today I am going to explain you geography chapter 1, how seasons occur part 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the seasons are changed according to time. Students, Earth is not stable. Earth rotates around itself. How many seasons are there? There are three seasons: summer seasons, winter seasons, and rainy seasons. Let's recall. How do day and night occur on the earth? Due to rotation or axial motion of the earth on its axis. We can say day and night occur on the earth. What term is used to describe the earth's revolution around the sun? The earth's orbital motion is used to describe the earth's revolution around the sun, or we can say that a year is 365 days long because that is about how long it takes for the earth to complete one full revolution around the sun. How long does the earth take to do so? The earth take to do so 365 1/4 day. In which hemisphere is our country located? Students, India is located in northeastern hemisphere. Why don't the sun rays fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth? The earth axis is tilted. Axis means what, students? An imaginary line about which a body rotates. And due to the earth axis is tilted due to the curvature of the earth, means earth are spherical in shape, and because of that the sun rays not fall perpendicular at all the place on the earth. So see students, rotation and revolution. Rotation means the movement of the earth spinning around itself on its axis is called rotation. But at the same time, earth is moving around the sun is called revolution. So that is also, you should know about that, rotation and revolution. Can you tell? Note the timing of sunrise and sunset in your area for the following period by direct observation or using calendar, newspapers, or the internet. See students, that this table is given, it is activity based. In this table, date is given 19th June to 28th June. So you have to observe that sunrise, sunset, daytime means day, night, and from where you are getting the information, source of information. You are getting information with the calendar, or with direct you are observing newspapers or the internet. So it is activity based. Students, this topic is totally self study. So in this you have to observe that or fill this activity in your book. Now geographical explanation. You must have noticed the change in the duration of daytime and night time from 19 to 28 June. So whatever given below the table, that is given here, same it is you to find out. Students, earth rotate around itself 24 hours. Earth rotate from west to east. The earth's rotation has enabled us to measure time in terms of day. During a single day, we experience different stages, which are they, like sunrise, midday, sunset, as well as daytime and night time that we are observed daily. So this way, during a single day, we experience like different stage, which are they, sunrise, midday, sunset, as well as daytime and night time. Students, what are the effects of the revolution of the earth? Effects of the earth revolution include the seasons and variation in the length of days and night. So that day and night also we are see the what difference are there, variation. And that earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. To understand the change in the location of sunrise and sunset on the horizon. Horizon means what? The line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. That is, we can say the horizon. So let us carry out the activity given on the next page. Paste a large white paper on one side of the table. Place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it would not move. That means when you put torch, it should not move. Stand a rod or a candle between the white paper and the torch. You have to make stand a rod or candle between the white paper and the torch. Direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod candle fall on the paper. That means student torch on, you to make torch on, and what happened that shadow fall on the paper. Then you have to mark pencil or marker. So that means when you on the torch, what happens in such a way the shadow of the rod candle fall on the paper, that you have to make mark with pencil or marker. Mark the position of the shadow on the paper. Move the table along with the rod candle from one side to the other slowly. Afterwards, you have to move slowly. What table? To move that table along with the rod candle from one side to the other slowly. Observe and mark the position of the shadow that fall on the paper. Now what happened that earlier was the shadow that is which you are marked. Earlier was different place, and when you move the table, then you see that mark of the shadow will be different place. Afterwards, note the change in the location of the shadow. Now you have to make that change. Means what we see the changes. Earlier it was different place, and after when we make the movement, then shadow come on a different place. From this activity, you will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also change. That means when you change the position, shadow also change. If the position of the sunrise and sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. So whole year when you observe that, you realize that how they are keep on changing. The same way, that sun is permanent place. You all know that sun is a star, sun is a permanent place, sun will not make any movement. Earth rotate around itself, it take 24 hours, and we are, that is student, we are living in earth planet. Students, sun will not make movement, means sun remains same place. From the earth planet, we realize that we observe that sun rises in the east and set in the west, and but sun remains in the same place, and it is the earth with its inclined axis that revolve around the sun. That is why looking from the earth, it appear that sun is moving either to the north or to the south. And in this activity, what we observe that torch is not making any movement. When torch is on, that shadow come on the paper, that you have to mark on that. But afterwards, when you make movement of the table slowly, so what happened that next time, see, torch is in a permanent place, torch will not make any changes. But when you on the torch, what happened that the shadow will be go to the different place. That is we observe in this activity. And that students, in this topic, our topic is how seasons occur. The combined effects of the inclined axis of the earth and the orbital motion of the earth, it causes seasons, and because of that, seasons are changing according to time. So let us try to understand the reason behind with the help of the next activity. See that student, clearly next activity is here given that take a thick stick about 1 0.5 to 1.7 meter long. Now you have to keep some distance, fix the stick near a wall, and you have to that means you have to fix that stick near the wall, and you have to that stick should be receive sunlight at the time of sunrise or sunset throughout the year. That means it should be sunlight, that stick should be receive sunlight or at the time of sunrise or sunset throughout the year. Remember that the stick, that means the stick has to be fixed at this spot for a period about 1 year. You have to that think about a 1 year to fix that stick. And what we realize that means when you fix the stick, you have to make that on that day you have to make the position mark that place. Because why? You cannot stand for the whole year. Okay, you can just fix a stick over that place, and for the whole year you have to clarify where you have marked, and after 1 year where the mark has means change, it will be different place, that you also have to observe that. And this way, this also the one types of activity are given here in your textbook. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date. If the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the change position. That means you have to make that mark that which was the earlier place, and afterwards or changes that took place. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and a sunset on the horizon or as well also. That also you have to observe that place of sunrise and sunset. And afterwards, so the next part 2 was there. On that also activities given that we learn after, means next topic. In this topic is totally based on self study. In this in your exam it is come that objective based question, that means earth rotate from west to east, or what is meant by rotation, what is meant by revolution. These types of question will come, that you have to read this lesson proper way. And I hope that you understand this topic. Thank you.